Good morning and welcome to the day 7 of your 10-day mental challenge. Now, a lot of time people ask me, sir, we told about these 4 steps. We promise, like a mood meter, and you've done everything. But what is that one thing which can really help us to achieve the target, and how to keep this consistently? And if you ask me, there is only one thing that's, after attending so many workshops, following so many gurus, and going to this life transformation journey, only one thing which really help and which is really help, if you ask me, is the journal writing. This is the only one habit which can transform your life forever. Yes, guys. So if you ask me, what is exactly the journal writing is? So journal writing is that one where you express your heart, you express your emotions, you express your challenges, you express your mental turmoil onto the paper. So now I design uniquely different steps of the journal writing, 5 steps journal writing, 3 step journal writing, 1 step journal writing, depends on that one. But now what should be in the, journaling? And why is the journaling? If you ask me, let is go into this particular. This is the entire essence of life. Who are you? What are you? That is, it's nothing but a journal writing. And why journal writing now? I told you that when in the 3 rules, we talk about how not to give voice to your pain, and whatever may become, we are not going to be quit. And the third part is the gratitude. All these 3 steps are included into journal writing. So if you really want to be the person you want to be, it's called as a life by design. In the 4 step approach, where we first have to require a hope. Yes, we require a hope. We can do it. Once the hope is decided, then we can design the purpose. You can decide exactly what we want. If there is a hope, we can decide exactly where we want to reach. And once you decide that one, then you can design our life, and that brings a transformation. So if you ask me, these are the very important thing. So design the life what you want to live, not the life other wants to people want to live. So please remember, in this particular part of the um, 10-day mental challenge, when you are continue started, now you reach to the day 7, and that itself is a big achievement. So please ensure that when you don't lose a journal writing, or like a tools, you have to select the tools. You can have the accountability partner. Maybe you even have the like a something like called as the structure. You can create a structure, a daily schedule. Okay, I will do the mood meter in this particular times. I will do the emotional meter check in this particular time. I will check my emotions in this particular time, and that will be help you. Like you go for the washroom, you go for the water, you go for the walk, same thing, you can just combine them. So this is a beautiful and honest request. Emotional mastery is the key to the all the success. And whatever it may be, please don't lose this emotional mastery. Complete 10-day mental challenge and then continue this journey. So please ensure that when you transform your life and you help others to transform their life. So thank you. Namaste. Take care. Bye-bye.